My name is Ricky Ang. I'm a professor from the Singapore University of Technology and Design. My research is focusing on the physics of electron emission using two-dimensional materials. Electron emission is basically very similar to the gas ionization in plasma. If you have a solid, you can actually create a plasma by giving certain energy into the solid to extract the electron out. If you're using heat, it's known as thermionic emission. If you use the electric field, then this is known as field emission. When a material absorbs sufficient enough photons, this is known as photon emission. These famous three emission laws have been known for centuries, but right now there is evolution in material science that all these kind of we call quantum materials or two-dimensional material that has been simply pop up. Those materials really have very incredible properties. You simply have a plane which is only have x and y component. There's no vertical component. How do you able to extract the electron which have energy in a parallel direction and then kind of switch to the vertical direction to emit them out? So the basic question is, right now you have this kind of 2D materials, whether these emission laws are valid or no. I am more driven from the curiosity of this aspect. 2D material has been explored by many people to make better computing. Key thing is application. You have to have application in mind. About 60% of our energy waste in society is waste heat. So there is a need to harvest the energy of those waste heat to convert into electricity. This is known as thermionic energy converter. The most common 2D materials is graphene. So that is one particular application using graphene to become an energy converter. This quantum material is eventually going to change the world. Plasma physics is relatively new. I think that this area will give a lot of opportunity for the students, especially that if we really want to solve the energy issue, you really have to know plasma.